For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9. On the back of an all-round performance, Kings 11 Punjab defeated in-form Royal Challengers Bangalore in Sharjah. In what was a dominating win, Rahul's men defeated Bangalore by 8 wickets for the second consecutive time in this year's IPL. Chasing a target of 172, Punjab got a brilliant start from their ever-reliant opening duo of skipper KL Rahul and Mayank Agarwal. As has been the case all through the tournament, the Karnataka lads looked an ominous touch with the bat once again against RCB. Once Mayank Agarwal was dismissed, fans finally got to see what they had been waiting for over 3 weeks. Chris Gayle arrived in the middle, and after initially playing with caution, the universe boss opened his arms in Sharjah. Rahul and Gayle smashed some monstrous sixes during their innings in Sharjah, which was enough for Kings 11 Punjab to finally break their losing streak. Both Rahul and Gayle racked up half centuries, which enabled Kings 11 Punjab to secure 2 points. KL Rahul amassed 61 runs in 49 deliveries against Royal Challengers Bangalore in Sharjah. The elegant right-hander smashed 1 boundary and 5 maximums, while he registered a strike rate of over 124 during his innings. Punjab's victory was set up nicely by the bowlers who restricted RCB to a below-par score of 171. Kings 11 Punjab's bowling was up until the 20th over when Mohammad Shami was smashed for 24 runs. RCB's approach to the game was questionable and the team lacked intent in Sharjah. However, it was Punjab bowlers who crammed RCB willow wielders for runs at a tough Sharjah wicket. Murugan Ashwin was the pick of all bowlers in Sharjah and one of the reasons why Punjab emerged victorious. Murugan Ashwin bagged 2 wickets in his quota of 4 overs against Royal Challengers Bangalore in Sharjah and gave away just 23 runs. The leg spinner bowled with an economy rate of 5.80. After the game, Kings 11 Punjab skipper KL Rahul revealed that his side was desperate for this win in order to regain lost confidence.
We are a far better side than where we are in the points table. It just got too close for comfort. Happy that we crossed the line. As a group, we have been disappointing. It can get frustrating. Our skills were good, but we didn't capitalize on the big moments. It becomes a habit, winning and not winning. There are ups and downs, and this has been the roller coaster. We wanted this win to get some confidence in the group.
Punjab is still behind the 8 ball with just 2 wins in 8 games. However, mathematically, they can still make it to the playoffs, but a lot of things will have to go in their side. On the other hand, RCB will look to shrug this defeat quickly and bounce back in the next game.